Welcome to video I6, units, digits, and factorials. Got two problems. First one, what are the possible units, digits of n factorial where n is any positive integer? So first we got to understand what a factorial is. So let's just make a list. So 1 factorial is 1, 2 factorial is 2 times 1 is 2, 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1 is 6. 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, just 4 times the previous, 24. 5 factorial is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 5 times the previous factorial, so 120. 6 factorial equals 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 6 times that, 6 times 720, etc. All right, so let's make an observation. They're all going to be ending in 0 here because they're all going to have a factor of 2 and 5. And whenever you've got a factor of 2 and 5, you've really got a factor of 10. And whenever you have a factor of 10, you end in a 0. So all of these are going to end in a 0. So the possibilities are really right here. So it could be, I'll just go in order. It could be a 0. It could be a 1. It could be a 2. It could be a 4. Or it could be a 6. So those are the only possible units, digits for any factorial. Then the second problem is just an offshoot of that. We want to now find the units, digit of the sum, 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial, all the way up to 2014 factorial. Again, there are going to be a bunch of zeros. It's going to be a very basic problem. 1 factorial of the units digit was a 1, 2 factorial was a 2, 3 factorial units digit was a 6, 4 factorial was a 4, 5 factorial was a 0, and all of those will be 0 as well. So it really involves just summing up these. So what do I have? I've got a 10 and a 3. I've got a 13. Oops. The units digit can't be 13, so the units digit is just 3. And there you have it, how to solve problems involving units, digits, and factorials.